Welcome to Faisal Abi Media. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Ethiopia's economic reform and how it may pave the way for opportunities in Somaliland. In the past few years, Ethiopia has undergone a series of economic reforms, including privatization in key sectors such as commercial banking and telecommunications. In recent years, Ethiopia has embarked on a significant economic reform agenda, including the privatization of key sectors such as commercial banking and telecommunications. This move not only marks a pivotal shift towards liberalizing Ethiopia's economy, but also opens up promising avenues for neighboring countries, particularly Somaliland. Here, we delve into how Somaliland's commercial banks and telecom companies can strategically benefit from Ethiopia's privatization efforts, including the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Ethiopia and Somaliland. Somaliland's commercial banks like the Somaliland Commercial Bank, Dahabsil Bank, Dar es Salaam Bank, and others have a unique opportunity to expand their footprint into Ethiopia, Africa's second most populous country. With the privatization of Ethiopian banks, there emerges the potential for partnerships and acquisitions that could enable Somaliland banks to establish branches or subsidiaries in Ethiopia. This expansion not only increases market access but also facilitates cross-border financial services, trade financing, and investment opportunities. Moreover, the Memorandum of Understanding signed between Ethiopia and Somaliland paves the way for enhanced economic cooperation, including in the banking and financial sectors. This agreement provides a framework for collaboration and mutual benefit, encouraging Somaliland's banks to explore strategic alliances with Ethiopian counterparts. Somaliland's telecom companies like Somtel, Telecom, Bluecom, Soncable, and Sol Telco can similarly explore partnerships with Ethiopian telecom operators to enhance regional connectivity and service offerings. This collaboration could lead to the introduction of new technologies and mobile services such as mobile money platforms, like Somtel's Etihab or Telecom Zod, or the e-commerce payment gateways like Sifalo Pay, which are increasingly vital in fostering cross-border e-commerce financial inclusion and economic development across borders. Ethiopia's telecom sector privatization presents an opportunity for Somaliland's telecom companies to contribute technological expertise and innovation. By partnering with or investing in Ethiopian telecom firms, Somaliland can assist in upgrading infrastructure, expanding network coverage, and introducing advanced telecommunications services. This collaboration not only benefits consumers by improving access to reliable communication, but also enhances digital banking capabilities, thereby promoting economic growth and efficiency. The privatization of Ethiopian banks can streamline financial transactions and reduce barriers to cross-border trade and investment between Somaliland and Ethiopia. Somaliland's businesses, including small and medium enterprises (SMS), services, logistics companies, and e-commerce platforms like Dalabs and .com, Siki, Maradso, Dalwai, and others can benefit from improved access to financing and banking services, facilitating smoother trade operations and fostering economic integration within the region. Furthermore, enhanced connectivity and technological integration between Somaliland and Ethiopia can create synergies for joint ventures and investment opportunities. This could stimulate economic activity, create jobs, and contribute to sustainable development in both countries. For Somaliland, diversifying economic partnerships beyond its borders can mitigate risks associated with dependency on limited regional markets. By engaging with Ethiopia through banking and telecom sectors, Somaliland can diversify its economic base, reduce vulnerability to external shocks, and strengthen resilience against economic uncertainties. Partnerships and collaborations between Somaliland and Ethiopian entities in the context of privatization can facilitate knowledge transfer and capacity building. Somaliland's financial institutions and telecom companies can benefit from best practices, managerial expertise, and technological know-how brought in by international investors and operators entering Ethiopia's market. This exchange of knowledge can enhance operational efficiencies, regulatory compliance, and service delivery standards in Somaliland. Beyond economic benefits, closer economic ties between Somaliland and Ethiopia contribute to regional stability and integration in the Horn of Africa. Strengthened economic cooperation fosters mutual understanding, peaceful coexistence, and shared prosperity, which are crucial for regional peace-building efforts and sustainable development. In conclusion, the Ethiopian government's decision to privatize its commercial banks and telecom sector presents a transformative opportunity for Somaliland's commercial banks and telecom companies. By strategically leveraging these opportunities through partnerships, technological innovation, and cross-border collaborations, Somaliland can position itself as a pivotal player in the evolving economic landscape of the Horn of Africa. Embracing these opportunities not only facilitates economic growth and diversification, but also promotes regional integration, stability, and prosperity for both Somaliland and Ethiopia. As these reforms unfold, the potential for synergy and mutual benefit between the two nations remains promising, setting the stage for a new chapter in regional economic development facilitated by the Memorandum of Understanding between Ethiopia and Somaliland. As we observe Ethiopia's privatization journey, we can anticipate exciting opportunities for Somaliland's commercial, banks, telcos, and other services and tech companies to expand their horizons. Keep an eye out for potential acquisitions or mergers between regional banks and telcos from both nations. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Ethiopia's economic reform and its potential impact on Somaliland. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Until next time.